The Changan Deepal L07 is a stunning example of futuristic automotive design, blending elegance with advanced technology. From the very first glance, its front fascia commands attention with sharp LED headlights that stretch seamlessly across the edges, connected by a clean central line above a minimalist grille. The sculpted bumper with aerodynamic air vents not only enhances its sporty character but also gives the car a bold, confident presence on the road. Moving along the side profile, the L07 reveals its fastback silhouette with a gracefully sloping roofline that flows effortlessly into the rear. Flush door handles, a contrasting black roof, and large aerodynamic alloy wheels highlight its premium character, while the precise body lines give it a sleek and dynamic personality. The overall look is one of motion, even when standing still, capturing the essence of modern electric performance. At the rear, the L07 continues to impress with a continuous LED light bar that stretches across its width, paired with sharp, geometric taillights. An integrated rear spoiler and a diffuser-inspired bumper enhance its aerodynamics while giving it a sporty, futuristic edge. The attention to detail ensures that the rear is just as striking as the front, creating a balanced and harmonious design. Stepping inside, the cabin feels like a modern lounge on wheels. The driver's seat offers a minimalist dashboard highlighted by a large floating touchscreen, paired with a slim digital instrument cluster. The flat-bottom steering wheel adds a sporty flair, while subtle ambient lighting creates a calm and futuristic atmosphere. In the rear, passengers are welcomed with spacious legroom, premium finishes, and the openness of a panoramic glass roof, ensuring comfort and luxury on every journey. Beyond design, the L07 excels in performance thanks to its advanced extended-range EV system. Powered by an electric motor supported by a 1.5-liter range extender engine, the vehicle delivers both power and practicality. With an impressive estimated driving range of over 1,000 kilometers on a full charge in fuel, the L07 ensures freedom for both city drives and long-distance travel. Silent, smooth, and efficient, it represents the future of intelligent mobility.